Video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoice templates and branding in Xero. Start by logging in to your Xero account. From the dashboard, click your organization name at the top right, or go straight to Settings if you see it on your screen. This takes you to the place where all your financial and branding preferences live. Open Invoice Settings to access the tools that control how your invoices look and what information they show. Take a moment to review the Branding Themes section. This is where your invoice styles are stored. You can edit an existing theme or create a new one if you'd like to keep different designs for different purposes, such as standard invoices versus quotes. Understanding which theme you're changing prevents accidental edits to a template you're already using with customers. Move into customizing your invoice templates and layouts. Here, you can adjust margins, fonts, and the general structure so your invoices look clean and professional. Keep readability in mind. Align items neatly, use consistent spacing, and make sure totals are easy to find. A clear layout helps customers pay faster. Add or update your company logo so your documents reflect your brand. Use a high-resolution image with a transparent background if possible, and check how it sits on both desktop and mobile views. If the logo looks stretched or blurry, resize and re-upload until it appears crisp. Configure invoice headings and labels to match your language and tone. If you prefer bill to instead of to, or want quantity shortened to QTY, this is the place to refine it. Small wording changes can make your invoices more intuitive for your customers. Adjust tax and payment display settings to reflect how you charge and collect money. Decide whether amounts appear tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive, and ensure the correct tax rates are applied by default. Confirm that payment instructions, due dates, and any online payment options are clearly shown to minimize questions and delays. Review contact and payment information for accuracy. Double-check your business address, registration numbers, bank details, and any notes you include at the bottom, such as late fee policies or thanks for paying messages. Clear, up-to-date details reduce back and forth and speed up settlement. If your business needs a highly tailored format, upload custom invoice templates. Xero supports custom templates, which let you control placement of fields, branding, and special notes. Make sure fields are mapped correctly so all the right information appears where you expect. When everything looks right, save your invoice branding settings. That's it. You've set up invoice templates, branding themes, logos, payment settings, and layouts that reflect your business and help customers pay with confidence.